I'm going to teach you how to post a video on your Facebook. So it is very simple. Just click on this plus menu button here and click on story. Then you come here, you can see, well, you're going to just come to your gallery and you can choose anything you wanted to post. Is of music, is of film, anything here. So here I'm going to click on something, one video here. This is a video, just click on the video here. You can see this is a video. Another video gets
àwa ní bùkátà sí ká bẹ ọlọ́run ọba Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kó rọ̀jò fún wa kó bá wa rọ̀ òjò
so just what click on trim
ká tọrọ àforíjì lọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́run ọba Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala nítorí ìdí èyí
so just click on
a ti wá ṣe ètò fún sọ̀látù
you can see
àwa ní bùkátà sí ká bẹ ọlọ́run ọba Allah foríjì lọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́run ọba Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala foríjì lọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́run ọba Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala nítorí ìdí èyí a ti wá ṣe ètò fún sọ̀látù istisqa ìrun tá fi tọrọ òjò tá fi tọrọ àforíjì
this is processing now and you can see this is sharing. My post is sharing. You see the video now on my wheels. This is it. You can see this is my timeline and I'll pick the video I share now. Just allow it to that green that is scrolling to scroll finish. You can see Facebook is creating my story, so you just have to wait for it to create finish. Then you have automatically post your video. You'll see it now. It's going to show playing now. Let's wait for it a little. Let's wait for it. Okay, okay now I think it has posted finish. Alright, let's wait for it a little more. So Facebook is creating the video you just sent to them to post now, and this is it. You hear the sound too? That is the sound that you created your story. So this is it. Let's wait for it. It's finishing up. So this is, guys, once this thing is finished up, you have successfully post your video on your timeline. So if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment, please.